Bill Goudy checking in. Well, what a way to start today, huh? Well, Mama Coon and 3 babies, and Mama Deer and 1 baby. Pretty neat. And Lucy got to growling, but she didn't want to chase. Can you see, Alan? Can you see her up there? Yeah. She didn't chase them. Must be too early in the morning for her. Coals from last night's fire. I think she'll take off here in just a little bit. Can you see in there? Yeah. Yes. Yeah, she's my camera hog. Thank you, Shane. Shane Sloan sent me this beer koozie. While it is hot outside, I've elected to use a koozie rather than a frosted mug. It's not that hot. We're in a cool down. Humidity is only 48%, which is awesome. Usually it's in the 80s right now. But it says we're headed into some more weather. Another hot spell coming. What they're saying, I don't know. It's got a nice breeze. Go get them. Get them. I'm gonna have beef ribs tonight. And I thought I would go ahead and do some jalapeno poppers as well. And some broccoli in lieu of a salad. So I'll have my homegrown jalapenos, and I had to fill in a couple of sweet peppers just because I had 18 slots and I didn't have enough peppers. That's okay. It worked out good. I'm going to use Mountain Q honey habanero barbecue sauce. It's hot barbecue from the Pepper Palace. And I gotta apologize. Well, I'm going to apologize to 2 people, Shane Sloan and to Brian Doyle. They both sent me some care packages back before, a couple of months ago, and I just have not had an opportunity to make a video. Well, here I am. I go to make a video this time for them. Guess what? I don't got their stuff with me. I had taken it out of the camper to do traveling. Well, I traveled, and guess what I had in the camper? Stuff from the Pepper Palace. But I plan to correct that soon. In the meantime, I gotta eat, so I'm gonna cook me some beef ribs and put some of this Pepper Palace Mountain Q honey habanero. We're gonna give it a test. Come along with me. Check it out. I want to take this opportunity to thank the people at Camp Made. I'm telling you, they just make some awesome products. You want any of their stuff, I'll have a link down below. Enter Goudy20. I can save you 20%. That is a full rack of beef ribs, and I just cut it in half, and I like to cook it in the tin foil until it's totally done. It steams in its own juices. Then I'll take it out of that foil and I'll put it right over the coals, and I'm going to add some of that honey habanero sauce to it. Yeah, I'm going to give it a test. These ribs, I'm going to cook them totally, and then I'm going to cook the peppers. The peppers only take 15 minutes, so the ribs can rest just a little bit while the peppers are being done. I'll steam the broccoli. I use Debbie Holland's steamer, and I've just got just a little broccoli tops that I'm going to do. So yeah, all we got to do now is enjoy a beverage, sit back and wait. Lucy's laying over there, just laying there. Check this out. She's not even on the hunt. She's just laying there watching, just in case something comes up. She's a sweetheart. Look at the goodness. Pepper Palace, Mountain Q, honey habanero. Let's give it a try. Yeah, I didn't like this either, so might as well cook with it. Yeah.
Fog developing towards morning. Tonight's low around 59. Patchy fog until mid-morning on Wednesday. Otherwise mostly sunny. Tomorrow's high in the lower 80s. Clear skies Wednesday night. Low in the lower 60s.
Let's dig in, shall we? Just look at the tenderness of those ribs. Oh, that is absolute. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. The broccoli, look at that. Oh, look at that. I did an onion as well. Look, can you see that? Look at the goodness. Look at the peppers, just perfect. 15 minutes. That is a pepper out of the garden. Look at that. Oh, oh man. Mmm. Wow, you can taste the honey. You can taste the habanero. Oh, that is so good. Let me wash that down. I think Lucy is going to get a bone tonight. What do you think, Luce? Need a bone? She's not even looking. She doesn't care. She's not a beggar. No, she's not. She's a good girl. Really is. Listen, I'm going to finish eating this awesome meal and hit that bunk. You know it. Do it all again tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out.
Well, he's trying to avoid giving up his first run since the All-Star break. And the Cubs have their infield pulled in against Mike.